Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Stefan, and if you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Make sure to smash that like button for any kind of value. Make sure to subscribe to us on this channel with a lot of videos like this every single day or on daily basis, and make sure to turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss any. And let's keep it as simple, short, and again friendly as possible as always. So, as you can see right here, we have 1 inch with the Tether token. Basically, right now, 1 inch is sitting at price of right around, let me see, right around 2.95 US dollars. Or today we can see that we are actually down 10%, or that's approximately 32 cents for 1 inch. So this is going as predicted. Maybe the time period will not be that large, but yeah, I think that we'll be touching the buy zone once again at that 230-ish level before we start pushing to the upside. But everything depends. It depends about the Bitcoin. So although right now Bitcoin is sitting at a price of right around what? Bitcoin, I guess it's in like 36k. It does not look that good. We are forming a triangle right now. So like yeah, like we will see what will be happening, but it does not look that good on my other screen right here. So yeah. For 1 inch though, we can see that we're at the retest area around this low, like higher highs. We retested them, we went even further than them. We had a like area right around here. Was that $1.5? Yeah, 1.50. That's the support level that we don't want to break. Also, we can see that we can draw a actual line right there. But yeah, we don't have the drawing panel with us right now. Let me get the drawing panel. Click this and get the drawing panel out of the way. So we can actually draw a line, a pretty good line, like a level right around these areas, because you can see how many touches we had right there. So yeah, it counts. Okay, if we break through this and start pushing to the upside, this will be a bullish run, but everything depends on Bitcoin once again. Guys, this is basically about today's update about 1 inch, how it is moving with my prediction. Like, I know some people will say that these videos are useless. I know for some people are, but I don't want to repeat myself over and over again in every video that I do about 1 inch. So at some point I will make like over 10-minute video explaining everything about 1 inch, but I don't want to repeat myself over and over again in every video. So yeah, this is basically it. If you want to support my channel, make sure to smash the like button. It helps me out a lot, and I appreciate it, guys. So if you want to support my channel even more, make sure to go to the description, the first link at the top. And yeah, this is basically it. Peace out, guys, and I love you.